back to my channel. Today I'm partnering with FabFitFun for this video, and I'm unboxing their spring 2019 box. I'm so excited to show you all. There's so many cute things. I've already started using them. But yeah, let's go and get into this video. But first, if you want some money off your box, use the coupon code Nichole for $10 off your box. So I think the first thing I want to talk about is this backpack. Oh my god, it's so cute, guys. I'm a backpack fiend. It's like they just knew it. I carry backpacks like all the time, and this one's just like a really nice staple. It's got this like what's it called, like taupe, not taupe, off-white kind of color, and it has the black, and it's just very like spring slash summer, and I'm super excited because I'm using it all the time. I already took some content pictures with it because I couldn't help myself. So the next thing I want to show y'all are these sunglasses from Key, Australia. They're little aviators, and I haven't worn aviators since like middle school, so this is very different for me. I'm usually a cat eye person. Super cute. They fit really nice too. Like, they're usually like sunglasses fall off me because my head's so small, but these are cute, and I like how they're solid black, so they'll go with any outfit. Why am I doing this? I don't know. The Away hair care leave-in conditioner. Super cute. I love the packaging on this. I love Away hair care, and I have not tried their leave-in conditioner, but I'm all for this because I dye my hair and it can get pretty dry, and we don't like that. It's not cute, so we'll see how this goes. Okay, so it came with this like $50 HelloFresh like gift card, and I'm super hyped about it because I've never tried HelloFresh because it's so expensive. But it also comes with a $25 off your first 2 deliveries plus free shipping. And I'm definitely trying some HelloFresh very soon. This is the Relaxed Champagne Charcoal Scrub by Mana Dakar. Wait, Kadar, my bad. It looks like this. Focus. But yeah, it's like one of those like scrubs you use before you like self tan. I don't really self tan. I should though because I'm pale. We can't get this open right now, but I heard it smells really good, like champagne, so excited to try that. Okay, I moved y'all over because the lighting was going a little crazy. But this is the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage Depuffing Eye Gel. Ooh, I want to see what it looks like. I heard this is like, it's got like a tint to it. Let's see. I hate squeezing things out of the tube for the first time because it just flies everywhere. Come out. There we go. Ooh, I don't know if you can see this, but oh, on me just struggling trying to be a beauty guru. But it's like an orangey undertone. And I heard it makes like it really tight underneath the eyes, and I'm here for that because we want to feel awake, we want to feel alert. If you don't know, I started exercising again, going to the gym. I'm trying to go to the gym at least 5 times a week, so we'll see how that goes because I'm trying to get that summer bod. But yeah, this is the 11 by Venus jump rope. I haven't jump roped in like forever, but I think it's maybe really, I wonder if I know how still. Can you forget how to jump rope? We have the Libido Inspired by Nature Mandarin Orange and Bergamot body lotion. Ooh, I love a good body lotion. Let's open her up. Oh my god, I didn't even show you. I suck. Bam. Oh, it smells so good. For some reason I'm into like naturey smells, and I used to not. Like, I was like more of a musky cologne type of girl, like some fancy Tom Ford. But now I kind of like earthy smells. Maybe it's just because the weather's changing, I'm changing. I don't know, my mood's changing. But yeah, this smells amazing. It smells like nature and fruit. Ooh, I'm really excited about this because, yeah, like I said, I'm going back to the gym. I need water bottles everywhere because, you know, I gotta wash that one water bottle and gotta have another water bottle for later. Yeah, this is super cute. It's this like, who's this by? It's by Sip by Swell Insulate, I can't speak, guys. Insulated to keep your drinks hot and cold, and it has little bumblebees all over it, and I think that's adorable. I think that is it. Also, I wanted to let you all know that FabFitFun is partnering with Ian Somerhalder for his Ian Somerhalder Foundation. If you aren't a Vampire Diaries fan, who are you? Do you not know who Ian Somerhalder is? Team Damon? But yeah, for all my Vampire Diaries fans, you'll be supporting Ian Somerhalder and his foundation. Let's just see a little bit about it, because I didn't get a chance to read all of it. So he has an ISF Cleanup Program, ISF Sanctuary Land, and ISF Emergency Medical Care Grant for Animals. Oh my god. Look at them. They're so cute with that little puppy. Look how cute. I love them. They're the cutest couple in Hollywood. I don't care about anyone else but them. That is it for this video. Don't forget to use coupon code Nichole. It's as simple as that. I'll put it right there. Nichole with an H, not without an H, because we're an H here. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. All the information will be linked down below. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on all my social media, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.